Hello children, how are you to all? I hope you all are fine. This class is Standard 1 Literature class and I am your Upali Miss. So children, take out your English literature book. This is your English literature book and open page number 1. So children, this is your first lesson and the lesson name is What does little birdie say? Where baby learns about little birdie. This is a poem and the poet name is Alfred Lord Tennyson. The poet name is Alfred Lord Tennyson. He was born in England. He wrote so many poems about nature, people and about his country England. So children, in this poem we will be going to know about how animals take care of their young. So children, turn your page number 2. At first, we all are reading the poem very carefully with good pronunciation. So children, at first I read, then you follow me. What does little birdie say in her nest at peep of day? Let me fly, says little birdie. Mother, let me fly away. Birdie, rest a little longer till the little wings are stronger. So she rests a little longer, then she flies away. Again I read, what does little birdie say in her nest at peep of day? Let me fly, says little birdie. Mother, let me fly away. Birdie, rest a little longer till the little wings are stronger. So she rests a little longer, then she flies away. So children, at first we should understand the first stanza, then we will go to the next. So children, here you see the different color words birdie and peep of day. Here you see the meaning of birdie. Birdie means another word of bird and peep of day means sunrise. What does little birdie say in her nest at peep of day? What does the little birdie say from her nest at the morning? Let me fly, says little birdie. Mother, let me fly. Little birdie said her mother that let me fly away. Birdie rest a little longer till the little wings are stronger. But mother say, birdie, now your wings are not stronger. And so she rests a little longer, then she flies away. So the little birdie obey her mother and rest a little longer. Then she flies away. So in this stanza, the little birdie said to his mother at morning that let me fly. But mother said, no, your wings are not stronger. That's why you take rest a little long time. When your wings are stronger, then you will fly away. So children, you read the poem very carefully and write with right pronunciation. And this difficult word, you write your copy and practice this one. And the next class, you will read the next stanza.